I realize, I noticed from the what is in this complaint and warrant, so I will sign it. And by the way,
Detective Moises Jimenez, Jimenez.
All right, Detective Jimenez, I assume that you have direct knowledge of some of the facts in this case, but not all of them. Is that correct?
That is correct, ma'am.
And is it true that these facts of which you do not have direct knowledge are true to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll sign the complaint and warrant. Thank you very much. I note that in the courtroom we have a prosecuting attorney. Do you have anything to add to this part of the proceeding?
Carmen DeFranco, appearing on behalf of the people, P71031. Not at this time, Your Honor. I think Detective Jimenez has presented the investigative report. The court has indicated it has read through it carefully and considered all the charges that are listed in the complaint at this time. I will ask to be heard at the actual arraignment.
Sure. Well, that'll be in a few minutes.
Yes.
We're going to flip over to the jail right now.
Thank you, Judge.
Is it 10 that we have finally forgotten?
I'm not sure. How you doing, man? Deangelo Davis.
What is your full name, sir?
Deangelo Davis.
All right, Mr. Davis, I want you to listen very carefully to make sure that you understand what it is that you are being charged with. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. This is case number 16-723-221. People of the state of Michigan versus Deangelo Lamar Davis. Mr. Davis, in count 1, you are charged with first-degree premeditated murder. In count 3, you're charged with murder of a police or corrections officer. Each of these, by the way, you're presumed innocent of all these charges, but each of these 2 charges, if you were convicted, is punishable by a mandatory sentence of life without parole. In counts 2, 4, and 6, you are charged with possession of a firearm while in commission of a felony. If you are convicted of the principal charge and are convicted of possession of a firearm while in commission of a felony, you could be sentenced to a mandatory 2 years in advance of any other sentence. In count 4, you're charged with possession of a firearm by a felony. By a felon. That is, count 5. That is a felony in and of itself, which carries a maximum prison sentence of 0 to 5 years and or a maximum fine of $0 to $5,000. Do you understand all of that, sir? I'm not saying you agree with it. I want to know if you understand it.
You go.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. I am entering a plea of not guilty. I'm going to schedule a pre-trial conference for you on Friday, December 9th at 8:30 a.m. and your preliminary examination for Friday, December 16th at 1:30 p.m. Both of these hearings will be at the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Mr. Davis, are you working at this point? Are you working now? Do you have a job? I have read the write-up in this case, and it strikes me that this is somewhat more serious than usual. First, I'm going to make sure that an attorney is appointed to represent you, and you should only discuss this case with your attorney because those conversations are I'm going to remand you to the custody of the Wayne County Jail without bond. That's all.
All right. Well, bye, ma'am.
Remand.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, ma'am, we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to let you make your appearance.
That's okay, Judge.
Can you forgive me?
That's fine. I'll hope that everyone here will just vouch that I was here.
I'm sorry, you
No.
put it on the other record, so
No.
if you have the whole thing, you'll have it.
No, I understand, Judge. Not a big deal.
I blew it.
Take
You know, I very rarely have an attorney here for an arraignment.
No, I understand. You were on a roll. I didn't want to interrupt.
We'll take a little break if you guys want to break down and